everybody, welcome back to another Roblox video today. Well, as you can see, we are playing Roblox Doomspire. Well, Super Doomspire. Because that one's way better. I might turn my Roblox sound down. For me, it's loud. For you guys, you're probably not going to be able to hear it. Let me turn the sound up a little bit for you guys. Should be able to hear it a bit now. In the background. Yeah, this is free-for-all, I think. Yeah. So, if you somehow do not know what Doomspire is, original Doomspire is there are 4 towers. Ooh, this is intense because I don't put this stuff in after the video. I do it while I'm recording. So, might not do a lot of talking at certain times. So pretty much Doomspire. Also, I need to put a warning quickly. You want to turn your sound up. I will probably put a caption. Because I don't know why. I need to get a new mic. Anyways, there are 4 towers and their spawns. Your goal is to break all the enemy towers' spawns. And, well, be the last team standing. Typically, there are colors like red, blue, green, and yellow. And Super Doomspire has different modes like zombies, free-for-all, 2v2, and then classic, and etc. There's a lot of them. How many kills do I have? 3 kills. Only 3 kills. Oh, nice. I don't know how I made it over there. Oh, frick, that dude. That rocket was so slow, and I still got hit by it. So, there are special weapons. Like, this weapon has an ability called Lunge, which allows me to, well, lunge. It's super useful. And with swords, you can, if you click the mouse, as you can see, there's the lunge button, which is right click. If you click left click, you can attack, and if you do it in midair, you can do this little spinny thing, which is really good. Say if I'm doing this. Oh shoot, my lunge. I usually use R, not right click. Oh, yay, we won. So if you win, you get on this little platform here. And there are also emotes. Like, I got this mouse, smiley dude. I think that's like Goku or Dragon Ball Z. I don't know. I don't really watch them. I'm sorry for all the fans that got really mad at me. And also, weird Bart Simpson. Dumb Bart Simpson, I guess. And, you can use sticky bombs to boost yourself, like, a lot. Yeah, as you can see. Also, in the lobby, there are these, daily chests that you can get. Oh, frick. I'm gonna need to do another boost. I guess we're doing classic. Oh, shoot, what was that? No, I got the wrong one. There are a lot of other things, but no one really uses them. I need to be farther back. Oh, shoot. Oh, come on, I missed. Ah, dang it. So there are daily chests that give you stuff. Oh, somebody's texting me on Discord. One of my good friends is messaging me. Maybe I'll get him in the video next time. Oh, shoot, I opened my recording OBS, because I use OBS to record, instead of opening Roblox, because it looked the same. Anyways, oh, shoot, frick, I gotta stop going AFK, I keep dying. Oh, shoot. Sometimes there are little platforms down there that you can go to other people's bases, but on this map, it's just the middle platform. So, this is classic, what you're seeing right here. I'm just destroying their bridge to make it harder for them to... Whoa, that guy's laggy, or that's me. I can't really tell. Oh, frick, that dude nailed me in the head. Or whatever gender they are. It's 2022, is the recording this. The really good trick is go to the bottom of their base and just start tearing it up. Just tear these walls up. Usually, since they're at the bottom, nobody really spawns here. As you can see, oh shoot, there is one spawn there, which I'm gonna get rid of just in case. Oh shoot, that didn't work. Oh Oh shoot, that's a super ball. Frick. Oh, frick. I'm gonna kill myself. I say frick a lot. Just realized that. But yeah, pretty much, if you don't play this, what you want to do, just go to the bottom of their base and start just breaking these walls here. Because if you manage to break all the walls, I mean, I may have just killed myself, but I also killed him and broke some. If you manage to break them, the tower will just fall off. Now, on the newer maps, the custom-made maps by the people that made this, they're like little platforms underneath, so you can actually stand on them. But these ones are just literally floating in the sky. So you want to go to the second layer, the only layer with the second to last layer. You'll know since the layer below it won't really have any floor. And then just start blowing up the walls. Now, I tried to keep some floor, but didn't really work out for me. And there are different types of bombs. If you go to the shop, there's like different skins and stuff. And you can buy trowels for different things, so I could cage somebody. Oh, shoot. Ooh, lagged out there for a second. Turn my phone on Do Not Disturb. I always forget to do that. I don't even know if you guys can hear that. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Frick. Dang it. That did not work out. Oh, shoot. No, I almost made it. I keep dying. Me right now. It's fine. It's fine. Don't rage. Oh, shoot. Oh, there is... Oh, yeah. So... Ta-da! Red is dead. Does green have any spawns left? Oh, shoot. That was a mistake trying to go over here. Can I make it? Can I make it? No, I just missed. I was actually really close. Oh, shoot. I can't believe it. I nearly made it. Now, if you watch my YouTube shorts, this is different content. I just, decided I wanted to go back to my roots. I started off as a Roblox YouTuber, except my videos were made on my Chromebook, which wasn't really the greatest, so videos honestly were kind of bad. Not just kind of, really bad. But now that I have a new computer and ever so slightly better setup, I mean, the mic on Chromebook was better, though. I'm not gonna lie. Way better. Oh. What? Oh. Okay, that was... Ta-da! And you can also do spray paints. I think it's... I don't know what it is. Check. These are daily items. Let's see what they got. Fidget spinner. Let's go to my items. Stickers. Yeah, this. Yeah, burnt, and then I have the rat, green grin. Don't have him equipped. Oh, some of these make noises. Oh. That's cool. Oh, shoot. Yeah, you can choose maps. Like, as you can see, a lot of these, there's little platforms underneath them, which makes it a lot easier to, do the thing I said, where you blow up the bottom layer. Oh, my favorite color is green. It's a fun fact. So we're going for blue. Gonna quickly blow a hole. Now, these things only blue people can get through, but you can literally just go whack them a few times with your sword. Boom. They're literally pretty much useless. So the thing is, these have pillars. Since they're not floating in the void, you also have to... Oh, never mind, you don't. There's nothing... Those pillars literally don't even do anything. Honestly, I don't get why they're there. There's literally nothing above the pillars, you can see. Right there, the pillars do nothing. This also defies physics, because how? I got a good chunk of this thing supports. Oh, the wrong thing. I keep getting the wrong thing. Yeah, and this thing is still standing. Super Bowl's honestly main use is just for throwing it at people. If your rocket launcher's out of ammo, you just throw it at them. Now, I honestly worry more about killing them. Well, not killing, destroying their spawns. More than really about my spawns. I'm hoping my teammates can deal with that. AFK for a second. Just asking my friend if he wants to join the vid, the one I was talking about earlier. But yeah, did I get their, is it just me, or is our tower ever so slightly tilted? Nope, no, frick, get me off of here! Oh, we still got two. How do we have two spawns left? How? How do we have a spawn left? Where's the spawn even? This thing must be, oh shoot! We have one spawn left. There's only two of us! What? Let's just hope no one notices this. Oh, what? Come on, Yellow, you don't gotta fall on me. Oh, my friend. Oh, I died, frick. I was busy texting my friend. Shoot! No! Got him! Yes! Oh, shoot. Yes! Blue's dying. Oh, shoot! Wait. Red still has spawns. Frick. Okay, blue's gone. Blue's gone. Okay. Okay, the only way I can still physically win this is if we trigger sudden death. Yes! Die. Oh, shoot. They didn't fall into the endless void. That is not good. That means they still have every spawn that they had prior. There's also building materials, but let's be honest, nobody really uses trowels in this game. Oh, finally, sudden death. Okay, the only problem is, there's only two people on my... Oh, shoot! Somebody's trying to get me. Dang it, I died. Oh, shoot, that's my friend. He's on, what team's... Oh, he's not even on a team. Oh, because of sudden death. Oh, he's killing me. Shoot, he's a tank, so his hitbox is so weird. This is going on YouTube. And yes, he does know this is a YouTube video. Do have his... He does know. Oh, Red, of course. Red had everyone. I had like two people. Oh, shoot, he rejoined. Dang it, he shouldn't... Oh, he was trying to get on my team, that's why. He shouldn't have. At least you're still... I have no idea what that means, if anyone knows what that means. Oh, frick! Come on, man! You gotta do me like that. He's a tank. It's a wild... Oh. Easy kill. Easy. Easy kill. Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! I can't see! I can't see! Frick! I wasn't ready. Oh! I wasn't ready! I didn't know we were fighting! That's what I get for saying easy. Yeah, they're scattered around the map, those, chests. Team Yellow, what team is he on? Oh, he's on blue. He doesn't need to respawn. I feel like he's... Oh, shoot, I shot the complete wrong way. It was, like, to the side diagonal that way. Okay, we're gonna go for the same strat. Oh, shoot, yeah, some of these have, altering terrain to where they go to certain places. Just gonna move over here, hoping that... Oh! Dang it! Okay, I gotta eliminate my friend. Get out of here. Oh shoot, did I kill someone? Oh, I did! Oh, I nearly went right there. Yes, I got him! Yes, he's screwed. Oh, frick. Their team's gone, though. Going for him, targeting him. I see him. Got him! I feel so bad because I was targeting him. Oh, shoot. Gotta wait for the to wear off. I can barely jump. It's the last people. How did I get KO'd? He's on like 1 health. Stop, please. I feel bad now. I wonder if you can use the trowel to make like DIY supports. What? Why am I? Shoot, there's somebody at our base. Oh shoot, those things don't travel that far. Yes, we're dominating the round. Oh, yellow! Oh, that hurt. Nice. Oh, wait, that's dead person. Oh, that person's screwed. They're so far out. Oh, okay, last 2 people, I think. Going in for the kill. Oh, yes, they got fired. Yeah, I got... Demolish! Bye! Oh, shoot, they survived. Frick. Oh, they got me! Dang, that was a good one. I didn't expect them to actually fight back. No, no, you don't. Going FPP. Oh. Oh, yeah, shoot. When you're in first person, you can't really see yourself. I feel bad for targeting him, so I say sorry. I know that doesn't really do anything. If you want a quick, easy one, there's one underneath the little area. You get like 25. I don't know. I didn't even do that. I wasn't even doing that. And plus, if you die when you're on the winning team, you lose the thing and you go to spectator. Infection is fun. Looks like nobody wants to play it, though. These things are bounce pads. Shoot, that did not work out. Oh. What are we playing? Oh, regular. Oh, he's on yellow. Blue. Now we're never on the same team. Off. Off. I'm pretty sure autocorrect. Yeah, dude, I hate it when autocorrect does that. He must be on mobile. That or has autocorrect on. Grammarly. He has grammar. Oh shoot, the support beams actually do something this round. Sucks. Means I gotta take more out. Don't know why, but one specific part of this little song reminded me of Switch Sports or Wii Sports. Nintendo sports stuff in general. Switch Sports is actually really fun. Play it all the time. I would make a video on it, but you know, it's a lot more annoying to record on consoles like the Switch, Nintendo consoles. They don't really have built-in recording or easy recording. I'd have to hack it or do something to be able to screen record. Oh, what? Hey man, truce, bro. What? You can knock them back? Bro, you haven't even done any damage to me. Shoot, so, yeah, this happens sometimes. Physics just takes a break. You just gotta hit the right spot for physics to just snap back to reality. Oh, frick, we don't have any spawns left. Oh, shoot, I did not even notice that! Since I need, you know, content, we're just gonna take that money and use it to, join. Oh, of course! I'm not on the same team as him again. Oh, green's finally coming down. Oh, he probably had some... Oh, he has a glitch. He just said mobile glitch. I have no idea what glitch he's talking about, but I hate it when... I wonder what team he's on. Oh, he's still on yellow. Oh, shoot, no. Oh, yeah, he did get back on yellow. I thought he was on yellow after. Dang it, why can't I get on the same team as him? Also, didn't his tower... Oh, shoot, his tower's stuck. Here, let me give you a little help. There you go. A little helping hand. Ooh. It's my birthday soon, actually. Yeah, in like about a month. It's my birthday. My birthday's in October. I'm not gonna reveal when. Because the video is gonna come out either before or after my birthday. Because, you know, I'm gonna spend my birthday with friends and family. What I'll be doing on my birthday. Haven't planned that far. Funny thing, me and both my parents, our birthdays are in the same 3 months. So one of my parents' birthdays is in August, one of them is in September, and mine's in October. It's funny. Very ironic, isn't it? Oh. Oh, that little part dips into the void. I like what they did, building a little homemade bridge. How is their thing still alive? They're, just gonna help deconstruct it a little bit. Oh, shoot, our tower's going down, too. Come on, stay intact, buddy. Oh, sudden death. Safe zone. I honestly don't know what purpose that serves. Oh, he's got an RPG. Lunge. Get him before he rocket launch. Slapped. Oh, we got tons of people here. Safe zone hasn't activated yet. Safe zone activated. I don't know if that means I can't die here, or... Bro, that is our second dub. Hey, this is is going good. This video is going too good. It's almost like it's staged, and I know everybody. Except I'm not a famous YouTuber. I'm just a dude with few subs. Yeah, me and my friends, we love playing Bed Wars. We're a really good team duo. But yeah, maybe yeah, that's a good idea. I'll record a Bed Wars video after this one. Why did I have to do that just to get over here? I thought it was a different one, okay, in my defense. Now I look kind of dumb now. Frick, now I look even dumber. Oh, come on! Alright, let's do this. I'm going first person for this one. Let's see blue. Okay, time to go from there. Frick! Just trying to clutch it up. Except I'm not really that good at this game. Oh, I killed someone. Honestly, let's just pretend that we are on opposing teams and just unite to, you know, destroy their base. I don't even know if he notices. Just gonna, you know, we're pretty chill, you know. I'm killing him, he ain't killing me. I'm surprised. Don't know if he's trying to kill me or not. I know, you know, we're just chilling. Breaking their tower. No, gotta unite to kill my friend. Oh, yeah. Now the job's done, you know, gotta... Oh, how did I not get... Oh, wait. Oh, no, I thought I got him. Oh, yeah, there's also daily test. Get 20 kills. I think I... Yeah, there's a lot of skins for the tools. Yeah, they all have buffs. Like, this one has lunge. This one is flame cutter. Dark sword. It also has lunge. The sword... Well, most of them have lunge. I honestly just like that one because the light sword looks cool. But this one's way better because it actually has a different special ability. And I have the sticky bomb. This is the normal one. Yeah, this one isn't as good as for bomb jumps, but it's sticky. Oh shoot, I thought I changed it. Oh, maybe I need to dye it. I swear, didn't we get... Shoot. Oh, whatever, let's hope it changes. Oh yeah, it does. So, flame cutter. Yeah, it's pretty much... Oh shoot, I can't really... Hey, come on, guys, what you doing? Oh. I got a ranged attack at least. A lot easier to get the runners. Oh. Oh! Oh, shoot! We have one left? Ooh, we still won! We clutched it up! Yeah, I think we're gonna end it and play some Bed Wars. Maybe record it. I don't know. Depends. I guess you guys will find out. See you guys. Bye.